Hey there everyone, I've got some really important news to share with you all today. Now, this information has been out there for a little while, but it's just too crucial to ignore. So, as you may have heard, the Iraqi Prime Minister, Mustafa al-Sudani, was recently on TV having a discussion, and an Arab translator was there to help convey his message. And let me tell you, what Sudani had to say is absolutely huge for the future of the Iraqi dinar. Sudani straight up told the audience, "We are increasing the rate. This is what we are working on." Did you catch that? He said they are increasing the rate and the value of the Iraqi dinar. Now, this is coming directly from the Prime Minister himself, so you know it's the real deal. This announcement from Sudani is huge news for anyone who's been following the Iraqi dinar revaluation saga. For years, we've been hearing rumors and speculation about the dinar potentially being revalued, but now we've got the Prime Minister himself confirming that they're actively working on increasing the rate and value of the currency. This is a major development that could have huge implications for dinar holders. If the Iraqi government is successful in increasing the value of the dinar, it could mean a massive payday for those of us who have been patiently holding on to our dinar investments. Just imagine what a significant revaluation could do to the value of our holdings. We're talking about the potential for life-changing wealth here, folks. Of course, as with any investment, it's important to remember that nothing is guaranteed. We'll need to keep a close eye on the situation and do our due diligence to stay on top of any new developments. But the fact that the Prime Minister himself is confirming that they're working on increasing the dinar's value is a really promising sign. So, in summary, this announcement from Sudani is a huge deal for dinar holders. It's the kind of news we've been waiting for, and it's coming straight from the horse's mouth. Now, we'll just have to wait and see how things unfold, but I'm feeling cautiously optimistic about the future of the Iraqi dinar. Stay tuned, my friends, because the real fireworks are just getting started.